Hello everyone, today I will share you a video about CG100X Volkswagen MQB information. Dashboard, then European car and Volkswagen MQB. I will share you all the important information about MQB. And first is our support list. We can share you the table if you need. You can contact our tech support to get this table, and this table is only for reference. First is our Volkswagen MQB V8500 dashboard. Here is the dashboard number, and this chip means this dashboard number may have the D70F3525 or D7053529. It may be this dashboard maybe have these two chips. You need to open the dashboard to check what chip inside. And most of the dashboard we all support by our CG100X. And this is the Johnson dashboard, the dashboard number and the chip inside. It have two chips, need to be careful. And this one is special for MQB 5A and 5C. Here, this is a special attention. Do not operate 5C dashboard. I will tell you why. And for the dashboard number 5A and 5C, all possible. This one may be 5A, maybe 5C. You need to make sure by yourself. Open the shell, open the dashboard shell, check what chip inside to make sure it is 5A or 5C, and be careful. Remember, do not operate 5C dashboard. This is only for CG100X. And here, this is the another table to show you the which year and which car may be 5A or maybe 5C. It is just for reference. If you need it, contact our tech support. We will share it to you. Okay, the next is about our MQB data CG100X readout. Many customers asked me if we can use this MQB data to add key. The answer is no. It is only for merge repair. Cannot do add key. And about our D1 adapter, here this one adapter. If you want to do MQB dashboard, you must to get a D1 adapter. And as I know, the D1 adapter is our standard package for the new machine we made. The old machine maybe we not equipment it, so you need to buy it. And why we need the D1 adapter? First is our MQB dashboard is encrypted. The D1 adapter can decrypt the chip. And if you don't have the D1 adapter, then you may need to have another choice to cut the wire or left the pins. Here, most of the MQB dashboard need to use D1 adapter. Some models can cut the wire or left the pins, so there is no need to use the D1 adapter. But you know, cut the wire or left the pins, it is very hard to operation, and it is very dangerous for your dashboard. So we suggest if you want to do more MQB dashboard, you need to get a D1 adapter. And 3, you can check the covers here, and do not extend the wire harness. This one. This is about the encrypted. If the cable is too long, it will fail to decrypt the chip. This is important. I use read to mark it. And second is about 5A and 5C. Here we can see it in our here the D1 adapter attentions and the 5A and 5C. If the here is okay, we can check it now. Found the chip on board. If it is marked EM here, this is EM means this dashboard is 5A. If it is marked with PCG, then it is 5C. And 5C, you no need to try. It cannot support one. It may possible to damage your board even if only connect the wiring. Means some dashboard, even if you connect the wiring, the dashboard will be broken. It will have a problem. And second, and two, even if you read out the 5C data and some of the 5C data, you can read out the data. And but the data is incorrect. It cannot to be used to manage repair or do other operation. You read out data, the data is wrong, it is useless. So the result is direct let it go when you meet a 5C dashboard. Here is for 5A and 5C. And here another one is for marriage repair. The first question is if my actual mileage of the car very big different with the CG100X readout mileage, then what we can do? This is the answer. If the difference between the mileage displayed by CG100X and the actual mileage of the car exceeds 100 kilometer, yeah, or you think it may be 15 kilometer, it is all okay, depending on you. You can direct to send the data to our tech support. We will repair the failure, repair the mileage for you and send it back. You can write the data back. And second is this picture. This is the, for Chinese. I don't find English picture. This data does not currently support automatic collection. Please contact tech support. This picture shows, and this means you need to post the data to our tech support. We will change it for you and send it back to you. Okay, another is our precautions. You can find it in okay. You can find it in our CG100X, but this one, the precautions. But as I see, the translation is not good, and there has a adapter. Some words cannot see it clearly, so I write it again here. First, please compare the year and the number of the dashboard. If there are any different, please contact our tech support. If you're not sure if this dashboard can support or not, contact our tech support. We will answer you. Second, after removing the dashboard model, compare the wiring diagram. If the third genes are the same, then you can directly operate. The compose one more or one less. It will not affect the modify. You can still do it. Contact our tech support if you are not sure. Here, this is for example. For this one, I need to make the word with our picture, so it is easier to understand. Here, for example, if the board is same, if there is no resistor or other components like this, if it is miss this one or miss this one or miss some easy chips, but the 13 points, this one, the pin 1 and pin 7, pin 2, pin 3, it is all good, then you can still use this wiring diagram. You can directly use it. This is the lead tips. And 3, after confirming that the wiring is correct, read the original data and save it. This is very important. You must back up the original data, no matter you do what vehicle and what models. Must back up the original data. And the device will automatically analyze the mileage and modify it. Maybe we will show you a video how to change the mileage. It will directly to change the mileage, but here is the tip. If the mileage is big different with the actually, you need to contact our tech support here. And the fourth, after the modification is completed, there is no need to click right. Because if you have done the modify, the mileage has right in the dashboard. You no need to click right again. Just remove the wiring, remove the cables, and put the dashboard to the original state. This means you need to you need to back the dashboard to the original state. You threading the adapter, you remove it. You remove the like this some dashboard, you need to remove the captures. Then after you finish it, you need to put it back here. And after you read the dashboard to the original state, then direct to put it to the vehicle. It will be okay. And check the mileage. And here is a special situation. If the dashboard is black like this is the normal state, this is the abnormal state. Yeah, if this state happened, how to save it or how to serve it? Yeah, this is the answer. You need to send your original data to our tech support if the dashboard is black. And there is the tips. You cannot directly write the original data into the dashboard. Yeah, you can't write it succeed or it will tip you right fail, something like that. The data must to process first, then you can write it succeed. Yeah, you have the original data, but if you want to direct write the original data back, it will fail. You need to process the data first. then you can rapidly succeed. Here is the lead tips. Okay, that's all for the MQB information. If you have anything want to know, you can leave your comments in our YouTube. That's all. Thanks for your watching.